Hi everyone, welcome back our channel Cyber and Safely. Today we are diving into the world of HTML and exploring text formatting tags. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video will guide you through the essential tags you need to know. So let's start. Headings are critical for structuring the document. HTML provides 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important and is typically used for the main title of your page, and H2 is used subheadings and so on down to H6, which is the latest input. Next we have paragraphs. To create paragraph in HTML, you simply use the p tag. Now let's talk about text formatting. HTML offers several tags to emphasize or style your text. First is bold and italic. Strong tag. This tag is used to strong importance. It typically renders text in bold. B tag. This tag simply makes text bold without implying any extra importance. EM tag. This tag is used to emphasize and usually renders text in italics. I tag. This tag makes text italics without implying emphasis. U tag. This tag underline text. Small tag. This tag makes text smaller than the supporting text. Small tag. This tag makes text smaller than the supporting text. Mark tag. This tag highlight text, making it stand out. Del tag. This tag is used to indicate deleted text, which typically appears with a strict throw. And last is ins tag. This tag indicates insert text, often underlined. Now let's put all through in a quick demo. I will create a simple HTML document that includes headings, paragraph, and some text formatting. Here what we have: a main heading, a couple of a paragraph, and some formatted text. Let's see how it looks in the browser. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web development tips. Let us know in this comment what topics would you like to cover next. Thanks for watching this video and happy coding.